This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
What if your Audi is wasting fuel every single day and losing performance because of something as simple as your tires and fluids? No warning lights, no error messages, just silent losses. Now think about this. Most drivers spend money trying to increase performance. They look for upgrades, additives, expensive maintenance, but completely ignore the basics that actually make the biggest difference. And two of those basics are tire pressure and fluid condition. Let's start with tire pressure. Your tires are the only contact between your car and the road. If the pressure is wrong, everything changes. When pressure is too low, rolling resistance increases. The engine works harder. Fuel consumption rises. Acceleration becomes slower. And here's the key point. Even a small drop in pressure can have a noticeable impact. Your Audi might feel normal, but in reality, it's constantly fighting against unnecessary resistance. Now flip the situation. Correct tire pressure improves efficiency, increases responsiveness, reduces fuel consumption, enhances stability, and yet, most drivers check it maybe once every few months, or worse, never. Now let's talk about fluids, because this is where things get even more interesting. Your Audi relies on multiple fluids to perform correctly: engine oil, coolant, transmission fluid, brake fluid. Each one has a specific role, and if even one of them is degraded, performance drops immediately. For example, old engine oil loses its viscosity. That means more friction, less protection, reduced efficiency. Coolant that is not in optimal condition increases engine temperature, reduces performance stability. And transmission fluid? If it's not clean and effective, gear changes become slower and less precise. Now here's the mistake most drivers make. They wait for problems. But by the time you notice something, the damage has already started. Before we go deeper, quick reminder. If you want to improve performance, save money, and avoid hidden mistakes like this, subscribe now. It's free for you, but it helps the channel massively and allows me to keep bringing you real solutions. Now let's go further, because combining correct tire pressure with the right fluid maintenance doesn't just protect your Audi, it transforms how it drives. In the next part, I'll show you exactly the correct tire pressure strategy, which fluids actually make a difference, and what products you should use to maximize performance and efficiency. Now that you understand how tire pressure and fluids affect your Audi, it's time to go practical. Because knowing the problem is not enough. You need to fix it correctly. Let's start with tire pressure, because this is where you can see results immediately. Most drivers simply follow the number written on the door panel. That's a good starting point, but not always optimal. Here's the smarter approach to tire pressure. If you drive mostly in the city with short trips and traffic, slightly increasing tire pressure within the recommended range can reduce rolling resistance. That means less fuel consumption, smoother driving, less stress on the engine. If you drive on highways, keeping pressure exactly at the recommended level ensures stability and even tire wear. But here's the real mistake. Drivers wait until tires visibly look low. At that point, performance is already compromised. Instead, you should check pressure regularly using a digital tire pressure gauge. Why digital? Because gas station gauges are often inaccurate. A small difference in pressure can cost you efficiency over time. Now let's move to fluids. Engine oil is the most critical one. Using the correct specification is not optional. Audi engines require precise oil standards. If you use the wrong oil, even if it fits, you reduce engine efficiency and long-term protection. High-quality synthetic oil reduces friction, improves engine response, helps maintain consistent performance. And this is where many people make a big mistake. They choose cheaper oil thinking it doesn't matter. But over time, that decision costs much more. Now let's talk about fuel. Not all fuel is the same. Using higher quality fuel or adding a fuel system cleaner occasionally can improve combustion, clean injectors, restore lost performance. And yes, this is something you can actually feel. The engine becomes smoother, more responsive, and sometimes even quieter. Now here's something most people ignore: airflow. A clean air filter combined with correct fluids creates the perfect environment for efficient combustion. So instead of focusing on expensive upgrades, you optimize what already exists. And this is the key mindset. Small improvements combined together create a big result. Now let's connect everything. Correct tire pressure reduces resistance. High-quality oil reduces friction. Clean fuel improves combustion. Proper airflow supports the entire system. Together, they transform how your Audi drives. And the best part? You don't need expensive modifications, just the right choices. In the next part, I'll show you how to combine all these elements into a simple routine and how to maximize performance, efficiency, and engine life at the same time. Because once you apply everything correctly, your Audi won't just feel better. It will feel like a completely different car. Now that you know what affects your Audi's performance, it's time to bring everything together into one simple routine. Because the real difference doesn't come from one change. It comes from consistency. Let's start with the weekly habit. Every week, or at least every 2 weeks, you should check your tire pressure. Not visually, not by guessing. Use a digital gauge and compare it with the recommended values for your Audi. If needed, adjust slightly depending on your driving conditions. This alone can already improve fuel efficiency, driving comfort, responsiveness. Now let's move to monthly checks. Once a month, open the hood and inspect the key fluids: engine oil level, coolant level, brake fluid. You don't need to be a mechanic. You just need to look. If something is low or looks dirty, that's your early warning. And catching problems early is what saves you money. Now let's go one level deeper. Every few months, you should actively improve your system, not just maintain it. This means replacing or cleaning the air filter, using a fuel system cleaner, making sure your oil is still within optimal condition. These are small actions, but they have a compounding effect. Because when everything works together, your Audi operates in optimal conditions. Now here's where things get interesting. Most drivers think performance upgrades require expensive parts. But what if I told you that better airflow, lower resistance, cleaner combustion can already give you a noticeable improvement? Not just in how the car feels, but also in how much you spend. Because when your engine runs efficiently, you use less fuel, you reduce wear, you avoid unnecessary repairs. And this is where real savings come from. Not shortcuts, not tricks, but correct habits. Now let's talk about optimization. If you combine correct tire pressure, high-quality oil, clean fuel system, proper airflow, you create a balanced system. And a balanced system is always more efficient. This is exactly why some Audi drivers feel their car becoming smoother, quicker, and more enjoyable without changing a single mechanical component. They simply removed inefficiencies, and that's the key idea. You don't always need to add performance. Sometimes you just need to stop losing it. And this is something most people never realize. They keep driving with small inefficiencies, thinking it's normal. But it's not. Your Audi is designed to perform at a high level. You just need to keep it there. So next time your car feels slower, heavier, or more expensive to drive, don't immediately think something is broken. Check the basics. Because in many cases, the biggest performance upgrade is already in your hands.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter. Spend less. Unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.